Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings so we can open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to general category. Now at the second position we have Save Location Info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's tap to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Now let's pick the center to get access to gallery options and move to right corner at the bottom. Here we have to pick details, and now at the last position we can check our location, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap here to get quick access to Google Maps and check our location at the map. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.